Right, so let's just say we've all set up and we're going to manage our campaigns now. So we come back to when we first log in, my campaigns, and here's one. You might have multiple ones going off at the same time. Here's the manage. Here's obviously your progress bar because you want to get to 1,000. So I guess that's going to go up as you go through. If you want to edit the campaign, obviously you can go here and change the stat. If you want to change it to 2,000, like it said you could. If you want to change information or the title's not working, or you want to change anything in there, you can. Oh, there's the photos. There's the story. And any notifications. Send me an email every time there's a donate. Send me a daily or donation. So if you feel like you're going to get hundreds and hundreds of donations, you might want to say send me a daily highlight rather than every time somebody donates. Here's your share options again in quick links. Update. Post an update. Also, if you've got something you want to say, thanks to all who have donated so far. I have my on the perfect camera, right? Oh, perfect camera. Whatever you're putting, you're just updating people with all their information, right? Do you want to send it to? Well, this is going to send it all to donation and followers. This is going to send it to the campaign title, and it will fire it straight to Facebook and Twitter if you let it. So it's going to say connect to your page, connect to Twitter to automatically do that. I'm not going to do it just in case any of the people that actually do follow me for some reason click and pay, which I don't think they would. So now when I go back to my page, there's going to be an update. Look, thanks to all I've donated, I have my eye on a perfect camera, right? So your update's going to come there, so you can tell people, right? Oh, I've changed my goal to 200 quid, haven't I? So again, update here. Oh no, where was it? Edit. So I'm going to go back to edit, right? Change it to 200. I changed it to 2,000. Did that change it back? I don't know why it said 200 goal there. Is it cached in? I don't know what I've done there. But, oh. Anyway. Did it sign me out? Oh, no, I wasn't logged in. Right, so. I may have messed that up, so don't do that. 2,000, it does say it there. So, when I view, it still says 200. Might be a different goal, that. Might be a first goal or something. But no, I don't know why it's saying that. I might have broke it. So, obviously, also in the donors, I'm going to see information. I'm going to see comments. Anybody put a comment, any updates, thanks to all who have donated. I have my that's my update I've just done. The team, if you've got any members in your team, you can add. I don't know what I've just clicked on there. Fundraising team. Oh, I've just changed it to a team. And you can invite your team to come and help you manage your page. Send. So it's pretty self-explanatory how to manage the back end. What I'll do now to finish off is I'll make a donation and show you what happens for both ends when a donation happens, right?